Okay, to start with, we'll have a look at some single-digit decimal numbers and put them on the number line. Now, we've got a regular number line here, and I can see that all of these have just the one decimal place, so I'm going to need to turn this single digit number line into a decimal number line by putting 10 little divisions between each of the whole numbers. Now, that's a pretty tedious process, so let's see if we can speed that up. That's a bit better. So the first one, 2.3, now we know that we've got a positive number because unsigned numbers are positive. This is my positive end of the number line. That's my negative end there. Let's put the signs on it. So I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to head towards the plus 2 steps. 1, 2. So that brings me to here. Now from there I'm going to head out another 3 steps, each of which is a tenth in size. 1, 2, 3. And that takes me to there, 2.3. Positive. Now the next one is heading in the negative direction. So I don't need to take any steps away from 0, any whole number steps, because I've got a 0 there. I do need to take 8 tenth steps in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And negative 0.8. Let's have a look at these last two. 1.7. So again, I start at 0. I'm heading in the positive direction because it's unsigned 1 step. So that takes me to here. And 7 small tenth steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to there. And that's 1.7. And lucky last, 0.4. So again, heading in the positive direction, don't need to take any whole number steps, but I do need to take 4 tenth steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 0.4. Looks more like some sort of E or something. Alright, so let's have a look with a 2-digit number. Okay, now I'm going to need a more stretched out number line for this, which will become obvious shortly why I need that. First of all, let's start with the simple business of putting the negative and positive signs on the number line there. And what I'm going to need to do first is I need to break this number line up into tenths because I've got my first decimal place there. Tenths and tenths here. Okay. Now, if it was just 1.1, I would head in the positive direction, 1 whole number step, which would take me to here. That would be from there to there. That's my 1 whole. Then I would take 1 tenth step to there, and that would be my 1.1. Now what I need to do is I need to take 4 more smaller steps between 1.1 and 1.2 here. So what I need to do is make 10 tiny little divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost impossible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, you can see that it's very difficult to do. 4 of those little tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, is around about there. That's around about where 1.14 is. Anyway, the point is that the steps as you move along the number of decimal places get smaller and smaller and less significant.